And what is this inside? Is it cheesecake?
No, it's
No,
ice cream.
jaggery. It's jaggery.
Is it
cream
jaggery?
हो गुळ आहे
Ice cream है.
नाही हे बघ गुळ त्याचे गुळचे तुकडे आहेत
Ice cream है.
आईस्क्रीम
हाँ, that's ice cream.
Mm.
पाहिजे तुम्हाला?
मला थंड
Ice cream है, ice cream.
Sir, I cannot read you right now because I'm eating.
Oh,
Oh, no, you don't have to give me. I cannot read.
no, I'll keep it here.
Oh. Mmm. Is it a Mumbai? Mm. Is this only Mumbai dessert? Faluda?
No, it's
Is it
everywhere.
India?
No, it's everywhere.
It's everywhere?
Yeah.
Ah.
मुंबईमध्ये मिळतो का फक्त फालुदा?
इकडे चांगला आहे म्हणजे हा फेमस आहे हा तुम्हाला माहिती नाही
Hi. Do you guys like Faluda? You don't like Faluda? Why? Oh, come. You don't like? No? It's nice. It's very sweet. No. YouTube channel. YouTube, yeah, YouTube.
काय माहिती कुठे आहे? कुठे आहे?
Mhyochi. Mhyochi. Again? Okay. You want me to write? Okay. This is my autograph. Okay, and
Mhyochi.
oh, you are having my first autograph in India. Myo.
खूप जास्त आहे. खूप जास्त आहे.
Show them, like Mhyochi. Show them. Show your face. Show your. Yeah, Mhyochi. I write down the Mhyochi. You want it? Okay. Myo.
तुला कसं माहिती आहे आता इकडून घेऊन जाऊन पाहिजे तसं
Mhyochi.
तुम्ही direct show.
Ah, thank you. You also? Okay.
शिवसेना भवन पण जाम आहे ते कारण ते सगळं
शिवाजी पार्कला आज
अरे दादरला चांगलं मिळेल
Okay.
आप देख सकते हैं हम इनके चैनल का नाम ले लिए
काल सगळं बंदच होतं म्हणजे
हा म्हणजे बंद
हम इनके बहुत बड़े फैन हैं आप देख सकते हो
आजच्यासाठी
Ah. Can you pronounce? How can you pronounce Mhyochi?
म्योची
Ah.
ओ बाय
Bye.
बाय
Bye.
फिर मिलते हैं
Bye. They just got my first autograph.
we'll meet again
Ah, feel me the
फिर मिलते हैं
feel मिलते हैं.
फिर
फिर मिलते हैं. Ah. Feel मिलते हैं. Feel मिलते हैं.
Let me catch your breath. I keep running to my house.
Oh my God.
Meet you. I don't want to come in.
Oh yeah, sure. What?
कुठून आलीस?
What did you wrong?
Wait.
अच्छा अच्छा
What's happening here?
I was manifesting since yesterday that I want to meet her. I want to meet her.
Really?
And finally, I was watching your live since morning. And then evening, I saw that you were getting down at Mahim station and you said that get
Uh-huh.
Papa Faluda.
Alexandra.
I just came running, taking my cousin sister with me.
Really? Oh my God.
पळत आलीस?
What is it? Is it my birthday? I feel, oh my God.
पहिला मला काय वाटलं की ती चालत येते सो फाईन आम्ही निघू
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people. Come here. I got the
Okay.
free faluda.
So this is gift from my mother to you.
No.
Sorry.
No.
No, please keep it. She gave
You
me.
don't have to go to Dadar now.
No, if you want to go, you want to buy, you buy it. This is sari. And let me tell you, this is blouse inside it.
Let me.
I'm not sure if you want. Oh my god. Fine, that's fine.
It's fine. Are you live?
Okay,
Yeah.
Just come because I don't know if my mom is watching your live.
Oh my. Can we see?
Wait, 1 second.
I think we can see right now. We
Yeah.
are back. Oh, baby.
But you'll have to use this camera.
Yes. Our camera is.
Because look at my face. I'm tired and I'm sweaty.
Okay. Wait. Let me try to fix it. Ay.
No, it's blurry. Wait, is it a glass? Wait,
I think no, it's like here.
this one is glass? I'll remove this glass.
Screen guard then.
There.
Oh, it's a screen guard?
Yeah. Can you remove
The
it?
main screen.
Wait, this one. Can you remove the this one? Yeah.
Oh yes!
You can get
Oh yes!
a new one.
Oh!
Now it's
I was about to cry.
now it's better than before.
Oh yes! Good job! Thank you! Good job! Okay guys,
Yeah, now it's better than before.
we're back and
If you will like the color.
I love the color. One of my favorite color is a purple. Some people told me that purple is army color.
Okay, now so let me
Oh,
tell
that's
you.
funny.
On the blouse is already stitched because this is my mom got this saree for me.
Mhyochi,
This is
I'll
new
keep this
one.
inside.
So this is new one. She like stitched this blouse for me.
Uh-huh.
That's why this is stitched one, so you can use it. Okay, this is new. She bought for me, but then my mom was like, okay, you're waiting for
Wait. I need one thing from you then. I need your Instagram ID.
Oh my god.
I have to wear this. I need it. Wait.
If you need help, wear it.
Yeah, and I really want to send you the like a video to your mom as well.
My cousin, a big BTS fan.
Oh my god! Can I have my phone?
She's a hardcore.
Wait. Okay, I really wanna. I might send you the message to. Can you please teach me how to wear the sari first?
Sure.
And then I promise I will take amazing picture and send it to you. And I have to say, please tell your mom that Tanya ba mama. Tanya, what is your Instagram? I got a sari. Oh. I have to go back early today. I have to try this.
Oh my god, I'm
स्वतःचं आयडी माहित नाही.
नाही मी शिवर करते खूप जास्त हे बघ हे देविका my name is Devika
Devika.
Yeah.
Devika.
Divya
Devia. Nice to meet you. Devia. I'm very bad at name, so I might ask
you can call
again.
me Dev you can call me
Dev. Hey, what is happening today?
Actually मैं तुझे follow my account is private I will make it
Accept
public
it. नाही नको accept it.
yeah oh my
Oh.
god I can't believe this
Oh
we are
no.
just moving me
Let me send a message for you. Can I send a message?
yeah sure
Dev. Oh my god, thank you very
From
much.
yesterday that oh my god because the car many times I go there every week I have doctor appointment over there so I was like oh my god she's in Thai I need to meet her and you go to the same cafe that you
Yeah, I always go. But
yeah I always go
yeah, true.
picture
Mhyochi. I sent a message. I promise I will.
yeah
I might need some time because I have to figure out how to wear the proper sari.
you need to watch it
तुझं चालू क्या?
if you need any help please let us know my mom was like if she needs any help please ask her for help
Oh my god, this is so sweet. Selfie?
yeah you also come it's fine I don't know how I so you really don't get it
Oh no.
I was like, okay, she's going to have holiday, she's coming, okay. But I take another picture.
Sure.
तू पण ये ना. ह्याच्यानंतर आपण
I feel I should move here. I should move here.
Yeah.
Really?
See, when you meet good people, there are really good people.
Yes.
But some, you know.
So far, I only met 2 bad people. So far,
So
except that,
people are
I met all the good people.
He is taking a picture. Oh. Oh God, I was wishing for this moment.
Selfie? Selfie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
जर तू केक केली बरोबर. तुम्ही पण कधी ना मला म्हणजे असं मेमरी सारखं राहील.
लाइट चालू है ना बंद चालू है ना
Nice. Oh my God, this is the best day. I don't even.
This Thursday, right?
I mean, I booked my hotel till Thursday, so I might stay more. But I actually I have no idea
Okay.
because I only have a
Say
90
more, and
days.
if we get time on Saturday, Sunday, because I do office. So if you're here on Saturday, Sunday, then we can just hang out.
Oh.
I was wishing for it, but then I was like, oh God.
Yeah, I'm not sure yet.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
No worries. Come back.
Finally got in touch with me.
Yeah,
And you got a
that's
gift
more
and
than
you
enough.
got the sari. You wanted a sari.
Thank you very much. Oh my God! Now I have a 6 sari to buy. I wanted to buy 7 because every day I wanna wear the same sari. Thank you very much. Are you leaving?
Oh no, if you are leaving, then I will leave. If you are leaving from here, then
Yeah, I think we're gonna go for the sari. Yeah. Wow, I have to
once
finish.
you people leave, we will leave because I have evening shift. I will go from home at 6:30.
And if you want any help, you can just message her on
Okay, sure. Thanks, Sam. Thank you.
with the sari.
Okay.
How is Khalida, by the way, because I didn't see your review. I was just running. I was
Oh my
rushing
God.
to see 10 minutes.
Huh? Ah, of course.
Srishti's father.
Papa, of course.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you, Baba. Oh my God, I feel so much love. Chad, let me put this wire back in. Oh, thank God I didn't break my phone.
Oh, sorry for all the mess because I
No, it's okay.
ब्लाउज पण लागेल
Huh?
So how will you manage to get blouse? Because now you just saw the blouse, you need to stitch it separately.
Oh.
It is with your, no, if you want, like if you don't have time, you can wear some kind of top. You get ready-made blouse in Dajon.
Okay. Noodle.
तिला रेडीमेड ब्लाउज असे 2-3 कधी कॉन्ट्रास्ट करून घालू शकते तसे.
So I have to stitch.
No.
No, not for stitch.
I'll give you ready-made.
Yeah, he will tell you where you get ready
Okay.
blouse.
Okay.
But the blouse piece is actually connected with that sari itself.
Oh my God. This is so good. Dad,
आम्ही सगळे सेम आहे.
what's happening in my life?
पण तिला बोलली मांडू. अरे
I don't want to go back to Korea.
Who's telling you to go back to Korea?
Nobody. But I need someone to switch my national. Do you want Korean nationality?
I do.
Okay, I want Indian. Can we switch? We can
You
switch.
take my passport. I'll take
Okay,
your passport.
go. You look like me.
I do?
Yeah, I look like you.
Okay.
We look same. Okay. You can take my passport.
Okay, he's also one of fan.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Like, I was just passing by. Got to know.
Really?
I thought it was something.
Oh my God, I feel like what is going on in my life?
You wish that people take photo with you or with your house when you were in at Shah Rukh Khan's house. You
Yeah.
remember? I watch your live a lot. You see now you are getting all that dream come true. People are coming running for
Yeah.
you.
Oh my God, if you dream in Mumbai, it's gonna come true. It was true.
You know, Mumbai is also called City of Dreams.
Really? City of dream?
Yeah, Mumbai.
Oh, I didn't know. I'm in the city of dream and my dream is coming true. Oh my god. Wow. Do you live near here?
Yeah, I was just like passing by, even the other, so I was just passing by. I saw got to know about the whole thing what happened. And so just scrolling through, like, came across your channel. Like, I know this place. And then I
Oh, that's why. Oh.
yeah.
Do you want to say hello? No.
I'm a bit camera
Okay, sure. I have to ask. Oh my god, this is so cool. Selfie? Okay.
But it's the food, that's why I was...
It's all melted.
No, usually people have it here as a dessert after they finish their dinner.
Oh my god. Should we do the meetup in Mumbai? Should I? Should I do the meetup?
Yeah, you should.
Some people told me that, oh, you should do the meetup. I thought they were just joking.
No, you really should do it.
Yeah, you should.
What am I? I'm nothing. I'm just.
70 follow requests.
I feel so flattered. I don't know like how to even react. Na 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 na. There's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people in front of me. Okay. They who brought me sari. There's Joshua who came here with her dad to bring me to the sari store. There's a secret man who are driving me and bought me the faluda. Oh my god, what's happening?
मैं उधर से आ रहा था पूरा भीड़ है वहाँ पे वो साइड पूरा बंद है मैं उसी में पता आधा घंटा मेरा उसी में लग गया